everyone! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. For the video today, I'll be doing a skincare review on the Power Couple Kit by Sunday Riley. I know I mentioned this one in a favourites a little while back, and I've been using it for a few months now, and I thought it was finally time that I share my full thoughts on it with you. I wanted to mention as well that I've never used Sunday Riley before, so I thought using this kit would be a good way to start. Also, I got mine from Mecca Maxima, and I believe it's also available to purchase from Sephora if you're in the US. The items inside are the Good Genes Lactic Acid and the Luna Retinol Sleeping Night Oil. Now I'm just going to talk about each product separately, and I think I'll begin with the Good Genes. So the Good Genes says that it is an all-in-one lactic acid treatment. It will brighten, exfoliate, plump lines, reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation, and instantly boost radiance. I feel that I've seen the effects from this one work, as over time I've seen my skin more bright and even. It feels tingly on my skin when I apply it, in a good way, so I kind of feel like it's working. And then in the morning when I wake up, I have noticed that my skin seems a little bit more plumped where I do have fine lines. As for downsides, the only thing I can think of is the fact that this one doesn't smell nice, but it does work, so it really doesn't bother me. So that's the Good Genes, and now as for the Luna oil. The Luna is a sleeping night oil. It says the next generation retinoid oil reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and redness. And this is the first retinol product that I've ever used before. I feel like this one works to the same standard as other face oils I've used in the past, like rosehip oil or jojoba oil, but I've never used those ones in conjunction with the Good Genes, so maybe this one does really work better and I just haven't had the chance to notice it. Like all face oils, it is nice and soothing when I apply it, and I do like the colour changing effect when it goes from blue to clear as it absorbs into the skin. In terms of downsides, I can't really think of anything major. I guess the only thing I can say is I feel like in the duo this one isn't as powerful as the Good Genes is. It does say that it mainly reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fights the signs of aging, so since I don't experience much of that yet, that might be why I feel this way. As for the packaging, I feel like the products really do look very beautiful in their glass bottles with the gold accents. However, I have noticed on my Good Genes bottle, the lid is starting to tarnish. I think that might be from me applying the product and then not washing my hands right away and perhaps putting the lid back on. I think that could be why, but it's not really a problem. And the only other thing with these bottles, as beautiful as they are, you can't really tell how much product is left in them. If I hold it up to my ring light here, I can actually see that I've used up about a third of it, but normally I can't tell. And with the Good Genes, I don't think there's any way I'll be able to see. I have tried taking off the lid, but I couldn't actually get it off, so I couldn't look inside properly, and it's not showing up on the side, so maybe inside the bottle is painted, I'm not quite sure. But I do feel as though I'm running a lot lower on this one than the Luna. Even though it's dispensing the right amount, it doesn't seem to be as fluid as it used to be, so I have a feeling this one won't last me much longer. Overall, I do think this is a good pack and good products to start off with. I'm interested in branching out and trying more Sunday Riley products, that's for sure. I think that when I finish these products, I would go out and purchase a full-size Good Genes just because I do really enjoy this one and love the effect that it's had on my skin. And as for the Luna, I might potentially try the Good Genes paired up with a rosehip oil or something, just to see how it goes if it works well, before I go out and splurge on a big bottle of Luna. But now that's all my thoughts to share on the Power Couple Kit. So I do hope this review helps you out if you're either thinking of picking up the set or potentially either product on its own, because I know it's quite an expense to go to without really knowing what to expect from these products. So thank you for watching the video today. I do hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!